Hi, I'm Veronica. How can I help you?
What popular TV shows to watch right now?
Processing what popular TV shows to watch right now. Please wait. This the result about what popular TV shows to watch right now. A language model. I don't have personal preferences or up-to-date information on popular shows. But according to recent trends, here are some popular TV shows that people are watching. 1. Game of Thrones. 2. Stranger Things. 3. The Crown. 4. The Mandalorian. 5. Bridgerton. 6. WandaVision. 7. Cobra Kai. 8. The Queen's Gambit. 9. Ozark. 10. The Undoing. 11. The Witcher. 12. The Handmaid's Tale. 13. Big Little Lies. 14. The Outsider. 15. Breaking Bad. And its spin-off Better Call Saul. Thank you. Hi, I'm Veronica. How can I help you?
Please explain about blockchain technology.
Processing. Please explain about blockchain technology. Please wait. Result about. Please explain about blockchain technology. Blockchain technology is a digital ledger or database that records transactions in a secure and decentralized manner. It's a decentralized, distributed ledger technology that records transactions on multiple computers, rather than relying on a single central authority to manage the database. In a blockchain network, each block in the chain contains a cryptographic hash of the previous block, creating a secure and tamper-proof system, making it nearly impossible to alter data without permission from the network participants. The technology has several benefits, including reducing the risk of fraud and increasing transparency, traceability, and accountability. It is widely used in industries such as finance, healthcare, logistics, and supply chain management. Blockchain can be used for a range of activities, including payment processing, identity verification, data sharing, and more. It has the potential to revolutionize various industries by reducing costs, increasing efficiency and transparency, and improving security. Thank you. Hi, I'm Veronica. How can I help you?
What's your opinion about artificial intelligence?
Processing. What's your opinion about artificial intelligence? Please wait. This the result about what's your opinion about artificial intelligence. As an AI language model, I do not have personal opinions. However, I can provide some general facts and potential benefits and drawbacks of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, AI, is a technology that aims to create intelligent machines that can perform tasks typically requiring human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision-making, and language translation. Some potential benefits of AI include improved efficiency and productivity, greater accuracy and precision, increased safety, better healthcare, and improved sustainability. AI can also enable new applications and industries, better education and learning, and more personalized and adaptive experiences. However, AI also raises some concerns and potential drawbacks, such as job displacement, ethical and safety issues, biased and unfair algorithms, loss of privacy, increased dependency on technology, and the potential for misuse and abuse. Overall, it is important to approach AI development and deployment with caution, accountability, and transparency, and to ensure that AI benefits society as a whole and promotes human well-being and flourishing. Thank you. Hi, I'm Veronica. How can I help you?